Hi everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn the topic called Smith trigger. Pronounce it as Smith trigger. Smith trigger is a extended version of bistable multivibrator. The word multivibrator, multi means many, vibrator means oscillator. Means once again I repeat, multivibrator is a circuit which oscillates at many frequencies is called oscillator. That is multivibrator. Okay. Write the definition of multivibrator. Multivibrator is a circuit which oscillates at many frequencies is called a multivibrator. Right. Then, what is mean by Smith trigger? What is mean by Smith trigger? Smith trigger is Smith trigger is an electronic circuit which converts analog signal into digital signal. Smith trigger is an electronic circuit which converts analog signal into digital signal. For example, so first write the definition. Smith trigger is an electronic circuit which converts the analog signal into digital signal. It means the graphical representation of analog signal is a sinusoidal signal, sine wave. The sine wave can be converted into a digital signal, means square wave. This Smith trigger circuit converts sine wave to square wave. This is the main functionality of Smith trigger. So, what is the use? Use means converting analog signal into digital signal, means sine wave to square wave is the functionality of a Smith trigger. Right. We can also call this circuit as a regenerative comparator. This Smith trigger is also called as, regenerative comparator. It is also called as regenerative comparator or regenerative differentiator. It can also act as comparator circuit which compares the input voltage, or we can also call it as a regenerative differentiator. Or differentiator in the sense it differentiates the voltage, means input, it subtract the voltage. Input voltage ఉంటే కదండి ఒక దాంట్లో నుంచి ఇంకో దాన్ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. That's why we call this circuit as regenerative comparator or regenerative differential circuit. Okay, right. So this is the introduction of this Smith trigger. Once again I repeat, Smith trigger, it is the extended version of bistable multivibrator. So bistable means it is a one type of, when multivibrator topic comes I'll explain later. So it is a one type of multivibrator. Means first, what is mean by multivibrator? Multi means many, vibrator means oscillator. Finally, what is the definition of multivibrator? Multivibrator is a circuit which oscillates at many frequencies, not only at single frequency. It oscillates at many frequencies. That's why we call that as a multivibrator. What is the definition of Smith trigger? Smith trigger is an electronic circuit which converts analog signal into digital signal. Right? Means converting sine wave to square wave, sinusoidal signal to square wave. Right? So what is the use of this Smith trigger? This Smith trigger generally used in the communications, that is analog and digital communication. For what purpose? In order to remove the noise in the signal. In order to remove the noise in the signal. Signal lo unde noise ni remove cheyadaniki we use this Smith trigger. Where both in digital and analog communication. Next. This is also called as, Smith trigger is also called as regenerative comparator. It compares the two input voltages, or we can also call it as regenerative differential circuit. Means the output voltage is the difference of two inputs, V1 minus V2. So this is the output. If you consider it as a Smith trigger with positive feedback at non-inverting terminal, then the V0 is equals to gain of the circuit into differences in the voltage V1 minus V2. Okay. Now, so let us see its internal operation. This is the introduction of this Schmitt trigger. Yes, have you copied this? All the boys and girls.
Yes, sir.
Hello, please copy this. Do it fast. Shari, are you there now, the girls?
Yes, sir.
Now you take the screenshot of attendance. ఇప్పుడున్న ఎంతమంది ప్రజెంట్ ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకోండి. తర్వాత వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి నో మోర్ అటెండెన్స్. And I'll show the effect in the laboratory. When you come to the lab now, at the time, those who are having less than 75%, definitely they'll going to face something. I don't care of other subjects. Na subject lo 75 below attendance undante. Right. Now let's see its internal operation. The general Schmitt trigger circuit is having positive feedback at the non-inverting terminal, and see here, the feedback resistor, it is connected between non-inverting terminal and output terminal, and input is given to the inverting terminal. The voltage present at non-inverting terminal is V1, and here the voltage is V2. Right? Generally, we can also call it as closed loop comparator circuit. Closed loop comparator circuit. Because here it is forming the loop. If this feedback resistor is not there, then we'll call it as open loop. Open loop circuit. Right. In this, if input voltage Vin is greater than 0 volts, then what is the output voltage? If you consider that V0 is equals plus V saturation voltage, general consideration, then if Vi, in case 2, if Vi is less than 0, then definitely V0 is equals minus V saturation. If you represent it graphically, it is just introduction and it's not the internal operation. I'll explain internal operation later. First we listen this. Take the input signal. Vi is the amplitude and time period. Voltage versus time period. A sinusoidal signal, sine wave. Right? This is input voltage and this is reference axis 0. Then what will be the output voltage? V0. According to our statement, the Schmitt trigger should convert analog signal into digital signal. That is sine wave to square wave. Here. If the input voltage is greater than 0, means for positive half cycle. If input voltage is greater than 0, means for the positive half cycle. What is the output voltage, output is equals to plus V saturation. If you consider that this is the saturation voltage, V sat, this is V saturation voltage, then for the positive half cycle, when it's greater than 0 volts, output is equals V sat. And if the input voltage is less than 0, this is 0 axis. Less than 0 means negative half cycle. This is less than 0. Below the x axis, and the 0 axis and below that. So if it is less than 0, then the output is minus V saturation. Here, if it is V saturation plus V saturation, then here output is minus. Then output is equals minus student. If input is less than 0, this is 0. Less than 0 means below the x-axis. This negative half cycle. For this negative half cycle, output is equals to minus V saturation. Output is equals to, the output directly goes to minus V saturation, and it maintains constant until the negative cycle completes. Again, for the positive half cycle means greater than 0 again, the output goes to, if input is greater than 0, then output goes to plus V saturation. Like this, sine wave has to be converted into square wave. This is generalized explanation, not the internal operation. I'm going to explain now internal operation. It is okay. This is okay if. But this generalized explanation is not a valid expression because this op amp having two voltage terminals, plus VCC and minus VEE. Plus VCC and minus VEE. Here this is having positive supply and negative supply, and we consider this voltage either V1 or V2 as reference voltage considered just one. That's why this is not a valid explanation. Then what we have to do, the thing here is, if you consider a sine wave with some distortion, this is input voltage, consider a sine wave with some distortion. This is the input sinusoidal signal. Consider it as a input sinusoidal signal. This is a distorted sine wave, means the input signal is, this is a sine wave, no doubt, but which is having some noise in the signal. The signal is having with some noise. That is called distorted sine wave. Right. For this kind of inputs, what will be the generalized output? Then what we have to do? In the comparator circuit, I said that bit trigger acts as a comparator. In comparator circuit, if this kind of input is given as input, if this kind of signal is given as input, then what would be the output? Let's see. The comparator circuit having a threshold voltage or reference voltage, which is having some reference voltage, that is called V reference. It is having some reference voltage, that is called V reference. And comparator is having always only positive reference voltage. There will be no negative reference voltage in the comparator, right? So this is a positive reference voltage, means oka cutoff voltage and oka cutoff voltage. See here, the reference voltage and the sine wave point of intersection is here at this point. The point of intersection of the reference voltage with the input signal voltage is at this point. Please extend this point. And also, see here, this is also a point of intersection of input voltage with the reference voltage. This is also same point of intersection. Here also reference voltage crossing the input sinusoidal voltage, signal voltage. But see here, now the graph. Initially, if V input voltage is greater than 0, if input voltage is greater than 0, if input voltage is greater than 0 is valid. For this kind of comparator circuit, for a comparator circuit, if the signal is applied this kind of signal, distorted signal or noisy signal as the input, then comparator having reference voltage. If V input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, see here. If input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, then V naught is equals plus V saturation. Means here, if V input is greater than reference voltage, then V naught is equals plus V saturation. V naught is equals to plus V saturation. See here, V saturation voltage here. So if it is greater than, V input voltage is greater than reference voltage, and this dotted line undi kadandi, above that, for this value, for this particular value, the output is equal to V saturation. This is V saturation. And if V input is less than the reference voltage, dotted line is reference here. This is reference voltage. If V input is voltage is less than this reference voltage, the reference voltage kante below undanukondi for this particular signal. So this is below the reference voltage. Then if V input is less than the V reference kante takku undanukondi, then in such a condition, output is equals minus V saturation. Output goes to minus V saturation ke ellipotundandi. This is minus V saturation voltage. It goes to minus V saturation. Here. Next. Again see here. For the same cycle, for the same positive half cycle, the positive half cycle, again the signal is crossing the reference voltage. Ikkade malli reference voltage ni malli cross chestundandi. See here, this part of the signal. Here again, input voltage is greater than the reference voltage. See this one. Input voltage is greater than the reference voltage. If input voltage is greater than reference voltage, output is equals to plus V saturation. Output again changes from minus V saturation to plus V saturation, like this. And it maintains constant here. Then again, see here, the same input voltage again crossing the reference voltage and moving below that reference voltage. A reference voltage kante malli below vachestundadi, low level ku vachestund. Now, input voltage is less than the reference voltage for this particular region. If input voltage is less than reference voltage, then output is equals to minus V saturation. The output changes from plus V saturation to minus V saturation. Minus ke drop out. Now see, only for the first cycle, first half cycle of the input wave, this is first half cycle, negative half cycle, positive half cycle. See, positive half cycle, negative half cycle, positive half cycle, and this goes on continuously. Here, one thing you have to observe very clearly, for one positive half cycle of the input signal, output is changing many times. See here, first positive plus V saturation, minus V saturation, plus V saturation. Means during the positive half cycle, only one positive half cycle of the input signal, the output is oscillating many times. Output is oscillating V sat plus V minus V sat to plus V sat, plus V sat to minus V saturation. Many times it is oscillating output voltage. This is the, for ఒక్క cycle ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఒకటే output రావాలి. For the negative cycle again it has to produce the output. For the third cycle again it has to produce the output. But here what happening? For only one positive half cycle, output is changing many times. This is the drawback of a comparator circuit. This is a major drawback of a comparator circuit. So this type of disadvantages and drawbacks of comparator circuit can be solved by the Schmitt trigger.